This festival, as has been mentioned by His Excellency, is not just a celebration. It is a reminder of who we are and where we come from. A strong and living symbol of our ancestry and our cultural heritage. This celebration carries a special meaning. A large number of Mauritians trace their ancestry to Bihar and the Bhojpuri-speaking regions of India. Through them, generations have preserved our languages, our traditions, our festivals, and our spiritual values.
With them, their language, their songs, their traditions, their culture, which have taken root over generations in Mauritius, and they have become an integral part of the cultural landscape. We see it all around us, be it in the form of oral traditions like Geet Gawai or Jhumar, in our puja part, in our Reet Rivaj, Suraj ko Ark Dena, the Janeyu ceremony, in Dhoti, Pagdi, Lehenga and Odini, in the folk. And what better example of this than the Dal Puri? The Dal Puri, which is possibly enjoyed not only in Bihar and Mauritius, but also in Fiji, in Suriname, in South Africa, and even in New York, is such a great example of this connection. Even before coming to Mauritius, I had heard so much about the Dal Puri of Mauritius, and I was looking forward to savor it, which I did when I came here. But thereafter, I also discovered that lesser known accompaniments of Bihari cuisine are found in the Mauritian thali. For example, kucha, which is in addition to the achar and chutney that one sees. Many of you would remember that when Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi was here in March last year, and speaking of this connection, he said, I quote him, "I understand your deep emotional connection with the entire Bhojpur region and Bihar." And he carried on in Bhojpuri, पूर्वांचल के सांसद होने के नाते हम जननी की बिहार के सामर्थ्य कितना ज़्यादा बा। एक समय रहे जब बिहार दुनिया के समृद्धि का केंद्र है। अब हम मिलके बिहार के गौरव फिर से वापस लाए के काम करत हुई जा।